Alderman Khumalo, can proceed.
Ngiyabonga worship, ngithanda ukunanzelela lapho ukuthi inkosi besiza ukukhala okukhulu kakhulu kobulawayo nabantu abathi kuyadula ukupaka kobulawayo lapha. But into le ingenzakali le inkosi ukuthi nxa songena imali ebambekayo inkosi ethenga ngesandla ukuthi nxa siyakhona imali ka 3,000 US dollars njengobulawayo sithethe 30% yetlana iyasikamshima ngomkhulu kakhulu. So ngicela ukuthi ngibonge inkosi ukuthi hayi into enziwa ama-councillors ukuvuma ukuthi ubulawayo lwabe le parking eclean bezumsebenzi omhle kakhulu. So kule order wobulawayo sesicela ukuthi nxa kusenza angani uyaspread ephuma phandle mbijana wanazele ukuthi kwezindawo songani sokuminana kakhulu ngabantu abayenza ama-businesses ezimotela. Ngiyabonga nkosi.
We want to applaud the committee for this report, and we also believe that if the partnership and if our partner in council can move with the speed, I understand there are around 7,200 bays which needs to be marked around the city, and if that is effected, we are going to see a change in the figures which we are seeing. Like what my fellow colleague has said, that we would know where we need to channel this money. So it is my prayer that we move with the speed to make sure that 7,200 bays, as you indicated in your last presentation, are marked and we start collecting maximum revenue. Thank you, Worship.